Having the right wireless gaming headset can completely change the level of immersion you experience in-game. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 best wireless gaming headsets, so you'll never have to suffer through another tangled set of wires or poor audio quality ever again. The issue is that a wireless gaming headset might work great for one person, but might not be the best for you, because most wireless gaming headsets are not made with the same people in mind, which is why I made sure to include options for all types of situations. So regardless of what you're looking for, I'll have the perfect wireless gaming headset for you. All the links to find the best prices on all the headsets mentioned in this video will be in the description below. The headsets mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned so you don't miss anything. The Logitech G733 is a stylish and comfortable wireless headset that gives you a great audio experience. Though the LED lights may be a tad distracting, its great design and vibrant color options make it a visually appealing choice for gamers and video game streamers alike. The lightweight construction and soft ear cushions adding comfort to this great headset. In terms of audio performance, the G733 delivers a balanced sound profile with clear highs, mids, and lows. The 40mm drivers provide fine sound quality for gaming and music listening. The soundstage is quite nice. The G733 manages to offer a great immersive experience that gives you a precise sense of where sound is coming from in a game. The G733 is aesthetically pleasing and stylish, unlike the rather bulky Turtle Beach Stealth 700 Gen 3 that you'll see later on in the list. The G733 even has a detachable microphone, a convenient feature which gives you clear voice capture and effective noise reduction, making it great for chatting with people online. The G733 boasts a respectable battery life of up to 29 hours, letting you play games for over a full day and night without needing to be recharged by its USB-C charging port. While the G733 gives you a fantastic audio experience, it's important to note that it may not be the best choice for someone who wants the highest level of audio quality. This is a headset primarily for casual gamers and content creators who value style and comfort. In conclusion, the Logitech G733 is a stylish and comfortable wireless headset that gives you a perfectly fine audio experience. Though the audio quality might not be of the highest caliber, it's a good choice for the casual gamer who prioritizes aesthetics and comfort, like functional jewelry. Buckle up your seatbelts, because next we have the SteelSeries Arctis Nova 5. The SteelSeries Arctis Nova 5 Wireless is a versatile gaming headset that gives you a compelling blend of comfort, performance, and extra features. It has a lightweight design and breathable ear cushions, making it great for leaving them on for those late-night marathon gaming sessions. The adjustable headband gives you a comfortable fit, regardless of your head size, and the soft ear cushions give you excellent comfort and noise isolation. The Nova 5's audio performance is great. It's got clear and detailed sound, with 50mm drivers, which gives you an extremely well-balanced sound profile and an accurate bass, mids, and highs. The headset can handle a wide range of audio frequencies, making sure you've got a rich and immersive listening experience, and the spatial audio tech on the Nova 5 enhances the gaming experience, letting you precisely locate where the sound is coming from in the game. A crucial spec if you want to rank up in League, Valorant, or Marvel Rivals. The Clearcast Gen 2 microphone on the Nova 5 is a significant improvement over previous generations. It gives you clear and crisp voice communication, effectively reducing background noise. And with the flexible boom arm, you can easily position the mic wherever you want it to ensure optimal voice capture. The Nova 5's battery life's really impressive. It can give you up to 60 hours of wireless use, which is more than double the length of the Logitech G733. Meaning you can enjoy long gaming sessions without worrying about constantly charging your headset with your USB-C cable. With the SteelSeries Sonar software, the Nova 5 gives you extensive customization options, letting you fine-tune the audio settings to your preferences. You can adjust the equalizer, create custom profiles, and enable spatial audio. The Nova 5's build quality is solid, with a durable plastic frame and sturdy construction. The headset feels well built and should withstand the rigors of daily use. Overall, the SteelSeries Arctis Nova 5 Wireless is a great choice for gamers who prioritize comfort, performance, and versatility. Its impressive audio quality, comfortable design, and long battery life make it a compelling option for both casual and competitive gamers. Next up, we've got the Sony Pulse Elite Wireless. The The Sony PlayStation Pulse Elite is a premium wireless headset designed to elevate your gaming experience. It's got a sleek, minimalist design, coupled with its comfortable fit. The plush ear cushions and adjustable headband make sure you're comfortable, while the lightweight construction reduces strain on the head and ears. Rest assured that this headset can be worn for long stretches of time, so you can keep these on while you're marathoning Baldur's Gate 3 or going for a raid on classic WoW. One of the standout features of the Pulse Elite is its exceptional audio performance. The Planar magnetic drivers deliver crisp, detailed sound with a wide frequency response, making sure that every nuance of the game's audio is captured. This makes it far more nuanced than something like the Logitech G733, which only has a bare-bones soundscape. The Tempest 3D audio tech takes the audio experience to the next level, creating an immersive soundscape that allows you to pinpoint the direction of in-game sounds with precision. This is incredible in games like Red Dead Redemption or Call of Duty, where spatial awareness is crucial. The Pulse Elite's microphone is functional. It can struggle in noisy environments and may not be ideal for streaming or content creation. However, it is sufficient for basic voice chat and online gaming. The Pulse Elite opts for a great listening experience over a great recording one. The Pulse Elite has a respectable battery life of up to 30 hours, making sure you can game for a straight day and night. The USB-C charging port lets you charge your headset quickly and conveniently. The headset supports dual-point connectivity, letting you connect to both your PlayStation console and a mobile device simultaneously. This feature is useful for switching between gaming, listening to music, and taking calls. The build quality of the Pulse Elite's generally solid. It has a durable plastic frame and a sturdy construction that can definitely take a hit or two without buckling. But keep in mind that the plush ear cushions aren't as tough as the rest of the headset and can be worn down quickly if they aren't taken care of. Overall, the Sony PlayStation Pulse Elite's a strong contender in the premium gaming headset market. Its immersive audio experience, comfortable fit, and long battery life make it a really compelling choice for PlayStation gamers. This gaming headset is another fantastic product from Sony and more than deserves its title as the best wireless console gaming headset out there. If you're interested in updated pricing on any of the items mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the links below. Prices update on these products almost daily with sales and general price drops, so if you want to find the most updated information, check the description. If you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like. The SteelSeries Arctis Nova Pro is another addition to the list that I had to add. To leave out this one would have been completely unforgivable, because not only is it a great headset, but it is my hands-down pick for the best wireless gaming headset overall. It's truly the MVP. The SteelSeries Arctis Nova Pro Wireless is a premium gaming headset that redefines the standard for audio quality, comfort, and feature richness. Its stylish, minimalist design, coupled with its premium build quality, makes it a standout choice for serious gamers. One of the most impressive aspects of the Arctis Nova Pro Wireless is its exceptional audio performance. The large, high-quality drivers deliver crisp, detailed sound with a wide frequency response. The spatial audio capabilities create an immersive gaming experience, allowing you to precisely pinpoint the direction of in-game sounds, so whether you're playing Path of Exile 2 or God of War, the Nova Pro's audio performance will really enhance your gaming experience. The Clearcast Gen 2 microphone is a significant improvement over previous generations. Your voice will be projected clearly, and the background noise around you'll be muffled out. It also has that patented flexible boom arm, which lets you position your mic wherever you like and makes sure your voice is always loud and clear. The Nova Pro's dual battery system is a game changer. With hot-swappable batteries, you can keep gaming uninterrupted for extended periods. The long battery life ensures that you won't be hindered by frequent charging. Unlike the SteelSeries Arctis Nova 5 that needs to be charged after every use, the Nova Pro can give you uninterrupted gaming with its dual battery system. The SteelSeries Sonar software gives you a ton of customizable options, letting you fine-tune the audio settings to your preferences. You can customize your profiles, finick with your equalizer, and switch on your spatial audio. The software also offers advanced features like noise cancellation and voice clarity, making sure to enhance your overall audio experience. The Arctis Nova Pro Wireless also got a comfortable design. The soft, breathable ear cushions and adjustable headband make sure you've got long-lasting comfort, even during extended gaming sessions, and the lightweight design just adds to the overall comfort. While the Arctis Nova Pro Wireless is a premium product with a premium price tag, it justifies its cost with its exceptional performance and feature set. If you're a serious gamer who wants the best audio quality, comfort, and versatility, the Arctis Nova Pro Wireless is a properly worthy investment. Next, we've got the Turtle Beach 700 Gen 3. The Turtle Beach Stealth 700 Gen 3 is a premium wireless gaming headset that gives you an exceptional audio experience. Its cool design and comfortable fit lets you game all night long without any issues. The 50mm nano-clear speakers deliver clear, detailed sound with a wide frequency range, ensuring that every nuance of the game's audio is captured. The headset's spatial audio capabilities create an immersive gaming experience, letting you pinpoint the direction of in-game sounds with precision. Whether you're playing Marvel Rivals or Elden Ring, the Stealth 700 Gen 3's audio performance will enhance your gaming experience. One of the standout features of the Stealth 700 Gen 3 is its AI-powered noise-cancelling microphone. It really reduces background noise and makes sure your voice comes across as clearly and crisply. You can adjust your flexible mic boom so that it's in the best spot for you and for your buddy listening to you. The headset's long battery life makes sure you can play till your eyes give out, and the dual wireless connectivity lets you connect to multiple devices all at once. The Stealth 700 Gen 3 also boasts a comfortable design. The soft, breathable ear cushions and adjustable headband provide a comfortable fit, even during extended gaming sessions. The lightweight design further adds to the overall comfort, reducing strain on the head and ears. While the Stealth 700 Gen 3 is a premium product with a premium price tag, it justifies its cost with its exceptional performance and feature set. If you're a serious gamer who demands the best audio quality, comfort, and versatility, the Stealth 700 Gen 3 is a worthy investment. However, it's important to note that the Stealth 700 Gen 3 may not be the perfect fit for everyone. Some users may find the headset to be a bit bulky and heavy, and may find that the headset wears you down over time if you game for long periods daily. Additionally, the ear cups may not be as comfortable as some other headsets on the market. Despite these minor drawbacks, the Turtle Beach Stealth 700 Gen 3 remains a top-tier gaming headset that offers an exceptional audio experience, comfortable fit, and versatile connectivity options. If you guys like this video or learned something, please give it a like, and be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. That's all, till next time.